Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark III, you have to go for the settings, find sound, and as you can see at the first we got the audio settings. So we can enable Dolby Atmos, we can enable 360 sound. When you make it, the DSE Ultimate will be turned off. I mean, it will be just disabled. So if you want to get this one, you have to remove the 360 sound. And here we got intelligent rewind filter, so we can also turn it on. Next, we can find volume level of the media, incoming volume, ringtone, notification and alarm, and you can adjust by moving the sliders to the left or the right. So that's very simple. Here we can find the dynamic vibrations. We can change, we can make test of this vibration. That sounds very nice, so we can go for early, for example, and you can also turn it on or turn it off, you can decide. Here we can find the vibrate for calls, so we can get always vibrate, never, or vibrate first and then ring. In this place we can find the do not disturb mode that we can set up and turn on or turn off. Here we can pick the media player, and below we can find phone ringtone for both SIM cards. Oh, I just remove sound. Take a look right now. The same we can make for the second. We can change notification sound, alarm ringtone, and in the advanced we can find other sounds and vibrations like screen locking stars or on touch sound, and we can enable and disable them by tapping on the switchers like that. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.